Let me teach you how I make my pigmented lip gloss. If you have a lip gloss business and you want to learn how to make pigmented lip gloss, keep watching. If you love pigmented color and you love good moisturizing high shine pigmented glosses, this is my lip gloss in the shade Blackberry. It's super moisturizing, it's high shine, and it is pigmented. It also works as a lipstick and it works perfect with every single skin tone. So for me, I usually mix my lip gloss base with Polo Beauty, Fashion Nature Coconut Oil, and sometimes grapeseed oil. But in this video, I use Fashion Nature Coconut Oil and Vitamin E oil is a must-have. The secret is when you're making pigmented glosses, try to reach for liquid pigment instead of micro powder. Liquid pigment sometimes is made with iron oxide, which is better than just a micro powder that is made with glitter or sometimes, shimmer. So I prefer liquid pigment, and that's it. You can shop Blackberry on my website. I love it. Bye.